Okay, so this DIY is super simple. It's just gluing a few Dollar Tree pieces together, but because the pieces are so beautiful in themselves, it looks like a higher end piece that you can use as decor and even have it be functional. So this would make a great gift, or even if you just want to add it to your own home decor. So what I'll be using, I'm going to be making two. One is for myself and one is for someone else, but I'm going to show you two different ways to style this. So I have two candle holders. I have two of the loaf ceramic pans, and then I have two of the round ceramic, I'm not sure what they called these, but they are great to use on their own because they are microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and oven safe. And they are by the Royal Norfolk brand. So the two that I have Warm Wishes with the gingerbread men, and then I have Baking Spirits Bright. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my E6000 glue and I'm going to add the glue to the candle holder. Now the candle holder, I will be gluing the top piece to point down into the loaf pan, and then I'll add some glue on top and then just lay my round ceramic piece on top like that. And that's it. So it's super simple to put together, but whoever receives this, if it's going to be a gift, they, I believe, will absolutely love it. And if you just make one for yourself, it'll add some festive decor to your home. So let me go ahead and glue these together, and once they have set, I will show you a couple different ways that you can style these. Okay guys, so now my pieces have dried with the E6000 glue, and I'm going to show you a couple ways that I would dress this up. Now there are so many ways that you could use these simple tiny two-tiered decor pieces, and I think a great way would be to use these on a centerpiece, especially this one because it is specifically for the kitchen, but I mean this one would work just as well. To just add some of the Dollar Tree LED candles at the top and then add some florals to the bottom, and you could place this on a table for a centerpiece. Or if you didn't want to add florals on the bottom, you could fill it up with chocolates or mints, candy canes, anything like that. I think that would be so nice on a table. Another way would be if you wanted to gift these, you could add some chocolates inside the top and the bottom, or cookies, little gingerbread, specifically for this one here with the gingerbread men. But the two ways that I'm going to show you are super simple, and I think they're a great way if you don't have a lot of space. The one particular one that I'm making, I'm going to place it by my kitchen sink. I think it's just a nice little feature decor piece to add to that area where I'm not able to put a lot of things, but this little piece will fit in really nice. And it's also going to light up, so it'll be really nice in the evening when I want to light that area up. So the first way is Dollar Tree sells the hand soaps that come in the snowman, the gingerbread man, the Christmas tree, and Santa Claus. So this is one that I've had from the past, and I just refill it with soap. And this would be really nice to add to a vanity by placing the soap at the top, and then just a little hand towel that I have picked up at Dollar Tree and tucking that in the bottom. And then of course there's a little bit of room on this side if you wanted to add a little fragrance spray. You could just place it alongside there. But I think that would really add some nice decor that's also functional to the bathroom area. Now with this one here, as I said, I'm going to be placing it by my sink. All I've done is taken this Dollar Tree bristle brush tree, and I love this one here because there's no glitter on it. It's just green, and then it has the little white tips. And I'm just going to place that in the top. And then I picked up a pack, and these are one of my favorite items from Dollar Tree by Christmas House. They are the pine picks, and you get 6 pieces in the package. I'm only going to use 4, and you could add more to this or keep it super simple as I'm going to do. So I have 4, and I'm just going to add 2 on each side in the front, and then 2 on each side in the back. So just like that. Okay guys, I actually added the other 2. I thought I was going to add something else in here, but I decided just to keep it very simple and just greenery. So I added 2 more, 1 on each side to fill in that middle gap. Now I have some LED lights, and normally I use the Dollar Tree lights, but because this one here, I wanted a little bit more lights and I didn't want to have to use 2 separate strands, so I just have this one that I picked up at my local Dollar Tree, and it has 20 lights on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and start wrapping the lights around the pine picks, and I'm just going to tuck the battery pack in the back and then start wrapping it around. Okay guys, so here I have it. As you can see, I have a very small vanity, so I don't have a lot of room. So it's really great when I can use something that's 2-tiered, so I can have my soap on the top, a little hand towel on the bottom, and then of course if you pick up the hand lotions, I think that would be a really great thing to add to the side. I just had this little face and body soap sample, so I just added that to the side, but definitely a hand lotion would be great to add to here as well. And this way, even with the little amount of space that I have, I can still add a festive touch, and it's also functional as well. So I really love how it works for this area. Okay guys, and here is my second 2-tiered decor piece, and oh my goodness, I absolutely love this. As much as I love a piece to be pretty and functional, even just having this as decor is so pretty. Again, for those small spaces, perhaps even you have an elderly grandparent or parent that is in a small space and they just don't have a lot of room to add decor, this I think is really, really pretty. But I love it over by the sink because I really don't have a lot of decor in that area. But at night it's beautiful because I can light this up and it just gives a really pretty glow over by the sink area. Again, I think this would be great if you wanted to make these as centerpieces for a table. I'm thinking about maybe doing another 3 and then adding them to the center of my table. And what's great about these is that it doesn't matter what end you sit on or what side of the table that you sit on, because you're going to see the same things on both sides. And that's what I really love about these. You get the Baking Spirit Bright on both ends. So that's really great. These again are super easy to put together, super inexpensive, and I think very super high-end looking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little decor idea using these Dollar Tree items. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. And as always, guys, you take care, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.